Insurance company totaled your car? Don't let it sit there. Turn it into cash right now. We buy totaled cars every single day. Massive collision damage? We'll take it. Rollover accident? Absolutely. Side impact wreck? No problem. Insurance called it a total loss? That's our specialty. Here's what insurance companies don't tell you. Total doesn't mean worthless. Your car still has serious value. Undamaged parts can be resold. The metal has scrap value. Engine components, electronics, body panels, if they survive the accident, they're worth money. And even if nothing works, we still pay for the raw materials. Selling your totaled car to us is painfully simple. Tell us what happened and what condition it's in. We need the real story, not a sales pitch. Get your cash offer within minutes. Say yes, and we arrange free towing from wherever that totaled car is sitting. Tow yard, your driveway, impound lot, we'll get it. We handle all the paperwork, haul it away, and pay you cash on the spot. No repairs needed, no cleanup required, no towing fees ever. That totaled car is racking up storage fees, taking up space, and losing value daily. Every week you wait costs you money. Stop letting a totaled car drain your wallet. Start putting money back in your wallet. Get your free quote now. Call the number below or visit our website. Cash for totaled cars, we pay today, you profit today.